Hello guys, welcome to Makaut Smashers and also welcome to our deep dive into the MLOps, machine learning operations, the cutting edge approach, revolutionizing the machine learning operations. In this video, we will explore the core principles and the theoretical aspects of machine learning operations, understanding why it's crucial for modern data-driven organizations. We will discuss its evolution, the key components and significant benefits it brings to machine learning workflows. We will also touch on the challenges faced during its implementation and what the future holds for this transformative practice. Whether you are a data scientist, an engineer or simply curious about the MLOps, this video will for you. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. So now, MLOps or machine learning operations is a set of practices aimed at streamlining and automating the deployment, monitoring and management of machine learning models in production. It combines the principle of DevOps with machine learning to enhance the collaboration between the data scientist, ML engineer and IT operations. By integrating continuous integration, continuous delivery and continuous training (CI/CD/CD), MLOps ensures that ML models are consistently updated and improved while maintaining high quality and reliability. This discipline addresses the challenges such as versioning, reproducibility, scalability, and monitoring of machine learning models. Ultimately, MLOps enables the organization to deploy the machine learning models more efficiently, allowing for faster iteration and innovation, thereby accelerating the overall machine learning lifecycle from the development to production. So now it is the time to discuss about the evolution and the need of machine learning operations. The evolution of machine learning operation is rooted in the growing complexity and the scale of machine learning projects. Initially, machine learning models were developed in isolated environments, often leading to challenges in deploying and maintaining them in production. As organizations begin to see the value of machine learning, the need for a more systematic approach become evident. Traditional DevOps practices focused on software development and operations inspired the creation of MLOps, tailored specifically to the unique demand of machine learning workflows. So the need of machine learning arises several key factors. Firstly, machine learning models require the continuous monitoring and updating to remain the effective in dynamic environments. Unlike traditional software, machine learning models can degrade over time as data distribution change, necessitating continuous training and retraining. Secondly, reproducibility and versioning of models are critical for debugging and compliance purposes. Machine learning operation provides a framework for tracking the experiment, managing the model version and ensuring the reproducibility. Thirdly, scaling machine learning models from development to production require robust infrastructure and automated deployment pipelines, which machine learning operation facilitates. Finally, machine learning operation enhances the collaboration between the data scientist and operation teams, breaking down silos and fostering a more integrated approach to ML development and deployment. Okay. So the core principles of MLOps guide the effective management and deployment of machine learning models, ensuring the reliability, scalability, and collaboration throughout the ML lifecycle. This principle include the continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD). It means automating the integration and deployment of machine learning models to streamline the updates and improvements, ensuring that the models are always in synchronized with the latest code and data change. Continuous training. Regularly retrain the model as new data becomes available to maintain their accuracy and performance, addressing the model drift and ensuring they remain relevant over time. Reproducibility. Ensuring that machine learning experiments and result can be consistently reproduced by tracking the datasets, model parameters, and code versions, which is crucial for debugging and regulatory compliance. Scalability. designing systems that can efficiently handle the increased volume, variety, and velocity of data and model computations, enabling the seamless scaling from the deployment and development to production environment. Monitoring and logging. Implementing the robust monitoring and logging practices to track the model performance, detect the anomalies, maintain the transparency, enabling timely interventions when models deviate from the expected behavior. Collaboration. Fostering the cross-functional collaboration between the data scientists, machine learning engineers, and IT operations to ensure smooth handoffs, reduce the friction, and promote the shared ownership of machine learning projects. Okay, so these are the core principles of machine learning operations, and others like governance and compliance, automation, security, versioning. Okay, so now it is time to discuss about the machine learning model life cycle. So it encompasses the several stages from conception to the deployment and maintenance. Understanding this life cycle is crucial for developing and deploying and maintaining the effective machine learning models. Here are the main stages, like at first, problem definition. So identify and clearly define the problem you want to solve with machine learning. This involves understanding the base business context, setting the objectives, and determining the success criteria. Data collection. Gather the relevant data from the various sources. This could include the structured data from the databases, unstructured data like text and images, or streamlining the data from the IoT devices. Data preparation. Clean and processing the data to make it suitable for analysis. This includes the handling the missing values, normalizing or scaling the features, encoding categorical variables, and splitting the data into training, validation, and test sets. So number 4 comes feature engineering. Select and create the meaningful features that will help them to train the model, and also the model learn effectively. This would involve creating the new features from the existing data or selecting the most relevant features through the technique like feature selection. Model training. Choose the appropriate algorithms and train your machine learning model using the training data. This stage involves experimenting with different models and hyperparameters to optimize the performance. Also some steps like model evaluation, model tuning, model deployment, monitoring and maintenance, documentation and governance. So by the following these stages, organizations can systematically develop and deploy and also maintain the robust machine learning models that deliver the valuable insights and predictions. Okay, so some tools and framework we use for machine learning operations like Kubernetes, an open source platform for automating the deployment, scaling and management of containerized application including the machine learning models. Kubernetes helps to ensure the machine learning models can run reliably in various environments like Kubeflow, TensorFlow Extended, MLflow, Apache Airflow, DVC, Data Version Control, Seldon, Azure Machine Learning, Google AI Platform, Data Robot. So these tools and framework helps to streamline the machine learning practices, ensuring efficient development, deployment, monitoring, and management of machine learning models in production environment. Okay. So at the end of the video, thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of machine learning operations. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of the principle, benefit, and the future potential. Remember, the machine learning models operations is more than just a buzzword. Okay, so it's a pivotal shift in how we manage the machine learning projects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on cutting edge technology. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Stay curious and keep exploring the evolving landscape of machine learning operations. You can visit many websites for learning this subject. Okay, and also until next time, keep learning. Okay.